6 Secrets to Passive Income. According to Warren Buffett, hi everyone. When we talk about investing, one name instantly comes to mind: Warren Buffett. He's not only a billionaire, but also living proof that wealth can be built through consistent strategies. Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss financial tips and business inspiration that can help you achieve freedom. Today, we're going to uncover 6 secrets to passive income according to Warren Buffett. These are not just theories. Buffett has practiced them for decades and turned them into one of the greatest fortunes the world has ever seen. Number 1. Dividend stocks from blue-chip companies. The first secret is dividend-paying stocks. Buffett believes owning shares in big established companies is one of the simplest ways to earn while you sleep. Take Coca-Cola. Buffett began buying shares in the late 1980s. Today, its dividends alone generate hundreds of millions annually for Berkshire Hathaway. The secret? He picks companies with a proven track record of raising dividends, often for 25 years or more. Firms like Coca-Cola and American Express have a moat or competitive edge that keeps rivals at bay. For us, the lesson is clear: don't chase trends. Pick stable, long-lasting businesses. 2. Government bonds, safe and reliable income. The second secret is government bonds. Buffett knows not all money belongs in stocks. He often holds billions in U.S. Treasury securities. They're considered almost risk-free and provide steady income. Buffett prefers short-term bonds so he can stay flexible for new opportunities. The takeaway? Passive income is not only about returns, it's about peace of mind. Bonds give stability when markets swing. 3. Investing in growing companies. The third secret is growth companies. Buffett's most famous example is Apple. While it pays dividends, the real attraction is its loyal ecosystem that drives massive cash flow. He also invested in Bank of America for its blend of dividends and growth. The key is to pick businesses with predictable profits, reliable managers, and products people need. 4. Owning private businesses that generate cash. The fourth secret is owning entire businesses. Through Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett holds companies like Geico Insurance, BNSF Railway, and See's Candies. These businesses produce steady cash daily, regardless of stock market noise. Geico collects insurance premiums, while BNSF earns from essential freight transport. The lesson? A solid business can be one of the strongest passive income sources, even if you're not running it day to day. 5. Low-risk alternative investments. The fifth secret is alternative investments with low risk. Instead of chasing crypto or risky derivatives, Buffett favors preferred stocks or special deals during market downturns. For instance, he invested in energy companies like Chevron, which offer both stability and dividends. But Buffett always warns against the value trap: stocks that look cheap but come from weak businesses. What matters is sustainable cash flow, not just attractive numbers. 6. Reinvesting profits for compounding growth. The sixth and often overlooked secret is reinvesting profits. Buffett is a master of compounding, letting money earn more money. Instead of spending dividends or profits, he reinvests them into new opportunities. Over time, this snowball effect turns small gains into enormous wealth. That's how thousands invested decades ago became billions today. The takeaway: don't just earn, grow. Reinvest consistently, and even small sums can transform your future. The conclusion: Buffett's secrets for all of us. All 6 of Buffett's income secrets share a theme. Choose investments in businesses that are stable, durable, and competitively strong. He emphasizes patience and discipline above all. And remember, Buffett isn't only an investor, he's an entrepreneur. He turned Berkshire Hathaway from a failing textile mill into a global giant with hundreds of businesses. The lesson for us: don't look for shortcuts. Build passive income step by step, pick wisely, and let time do the heavy lifting. Kaisha closing. So, if you want to build passive income like Warren Buffett, start today. Invest in yourself, choose quality assets, reinvest your earnings, and resist short-lived trends. As Buffett wisely said, true wealth comes when your money works harder than you do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it so more people can learn how to achieve financial freedom. See you in the next video.